Hi, I'm John Trishler from Specialty Performance Parts, and today we're going to talk about the difference between the standard Radiance here on my right and the Radiance Scene here on my left. As you'll notice, we've got both of these powered up. With the amber backlights, they're the same. So many people like to mix the two. If you're worried about mixing Radiance and Scene, as you can see, the backlights are exactly the same. Where the differences lie are in the lumen output of the main white light. The regular Radiance, the standard Radiance here, produces 900 lumens. The Radiance Scene here on my left produces 2970 lumens. So when the main white light comes on, and we're going to show you some examples of that, when the main white light comes on, you're going to get 3 times the output out of the Radiance Scene as you are on the standard Radiance. If you look in the center of the light, you can slightly tell the difference between the two in the lens. Again, overall though, you're not going to be able to tell the difference when you mix them, but if you're trying to identify which is which, you'll notice that the Radiance has a little bit of a clear glass bubble where the Scene has the exposed circuit board. Let's go ahead and take a look at the difference in light output between the Radiance and the Scene. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and visit us at spvparts.com to pick up these lights for your vehicle, and check us out on our next video. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.